it took a while here.
We need to cut some of these trees.
Yeah, maybe I'll throw this up on YouTube.
Yeah, you could.
Cut the trees down for one day and find
Yeah, cut them.
Trees in the way, you fag. You can't make good videos, you homo. How can you spend 12 hours a day on YouTube? I'm gonna kick your ass. Okay. I'm sure Mom will let you borrow a car to come out and trade to kick my ass. I was about to shut that off.
Oh, that's cool how it went red, white, and blue.
Yeah, patriotic. You know the car alarms too.
Yeah.
Krista, bring me TJ
We'll be up there for the 4th of July. That'd be sweet.
Yep.
Up north. Like the best time to go.
Where are those red ones at? I want more of those.
Yeah.
Those are the best.
You like the fireworks? You want the water?
Oh wow, those are
No.
not exactly. They're the same ones almost, but these are cool.
You seem cold.
That's nice. Ooh, that's a goodie. Wow, holy shit balls.
That was really good.
Jumping Jesus Christ on a pogo stick.
They teasing you over there behind the trees.
Yeah, up there.
That one's a little lower.